Happy Diwali this long weekend. Have a safe long weekend.
The chair of the special administrators for Suva and Lemi, Mr. Isikeli Tikondundua, the special administrators, representatives of the Rokotui Suva, Ratu Solomoni Mundu Navosa, Acting Commissioner of Police, Mr. Tuindravu, President of the Suva Retailers Association, Mr. Jitesh Patel, and executive members, appointed architect for the project, Mr. Peter Ranking, Suva market vendors and handicraft market vendors, as well as Suva bus proprietors, the private sector representatives, the CEOs of statutory organization, the president of Fiji construction industry, Reverend Elaitia Tuwere, acting CEO, Mr. Azam Khan, the Permanent Secretary for Ministry of Local Government. Ladies and gentlemen, Bula Vinaka, and a very good afternoon to you all. Today we begin the redevelopment of Ratu Selala Sukuna Park, which is named in honor of one of the great leaders in our history. We have 70 parks in Suva. Some are used for recreation, some for events, some are open spaces for people to gather in the neighborhoods and communities, and some are big enough to serve all those purposes. These open spaces give us a space to breathe. They grant us the chance to remove ourselves from glass, brick, and steel of the urban environment to steal a quiet moment with nature. Across Fiji, the Ministry of Local Government is focused on working with municipal councils and their communities to create diverse, accessible, safe, and appealing open spaces for people of all ages for rest and recreation. We have great ambition behind our vision for the development of Fiji's towns and cities, but we will never strive for an urban landscape devoid of green spaces, parks, and places we gather. That is not our character as a people, nor of this city. In redeveloping this park, we are taking one more step in making downtown Suva greener, more livable, and quite simply, a more enjoyable place to live and visit. We are creating another comfortable place for people to gather in the midst of downtown to take a break from work or shopping or errands. We are creating a place for families to enjoy. We are creating a place for corporate functions to be hosted. We are creating a place where we can hold musical events, drama, dance that are open to everyone. And above all, we are creating a place for workforce, our working groups, or you can say the working people who want to bring their lunches and sit in the comfort of Sukuna Park in little areas that we're going to create for them to enjoy their lunch with their friends. This park has been a fixture of Suva for generations. It is perfectly located between Suva, City Harbour, Victoria Parade, and the Civic Auditorium. And we all have loved the majestic rain trees and flame trees that give it a special identity and provide welcome shade and shelter. These trees are pieces of history. They should not be touched. And I've been assured the Suva City Council has employed a professional arborist, essentially a tree doctor, to preserve the heritage of this park, which rests in these historic trees. Ladies and gentlemen, Suva is not just where we live and work. It is our capital. It is a home to many. It is the beating heart of the country. So it must also be a place that offers a sense of community. We should gather in our capital and enjoy it. Yes, cities change, but in the end, the people are the city. and the physical city must serve the people. A city grows, it shifts, it adapts to economic forces that shape retailing, land use, and transportation. It is the job of the government to understand those forces and ensure that the needs of the people are addressed. That is why it is crucial that we provide well-designed green spaces for people to enjoy and safe areas for pedestrians. The most importantly, that is why we have instituted the Suva City's Urban Regeneration Program to create a city of the future, a city where people can work and enjoy life in comfort. In 8 months' time, we will be enjoying this newly designed modern park. I will look forward to coming down here on Saturday or Sunday to watch our citizens enjoying the park. In the meantime, the information panel that we will unveil shortly will let everyone who stops by know exactly what to expect once the project is done. Ladies and gentlemen, I would really like to announce such projects every month, and I hope the momentum continues. This is just one of the first for Suva. There is more things planned for Suva. So let's start off in the month of November with Ratu Sukuna Redevelopment Park, but then in December there will be some other announcement and it continues. This has been the vision of the special administrators, and we would like to create Suva as a city which we all can be very proud of, and a place where ratepayers can come down as and when they like to enjoy this place. For parks that we have or open spaces that we have, we need to be very creative in our thinking. We cannot be just putting up multi-purpose courts and children's park. We need to go beyond that. So for Suva, our intention is to start off with an entertainment park, which will be Ratu Sukuna Park. Then we go to the botanical gardens. We already have My Suva Park for families, and then we have Albert Park for sports, etc. So with these words, I want to extend my best wishes to Suva City Council and to the designers, engineers, and the builders of this project. We'll see you all 8 months from now when we open the park to all. Vinaka, thank you very much, and thank you for being here this afternoon.
All right, here. 1, 2, 3.